Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 error code 2032. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open a browser and then you just need to go to support.xbox.com here, and then you need to log into your account. And once you do so, then you need to go to Games and Apps. Then you need to select Track Down Issues and Find Solutions, and then select Xbox Status Page. And then here you need to look for Still Need Help, Start a Chat, okay? And then on chat, you just need to write, I need a human live chat to refresh my Game Pass. Then you need to write, I get an error 2032 in Black Ops 7. And then basically they will ask you to what platform do you play? In my case, it's PC. Then you need to select a chat with us, available 24/7. And wait until agent will contact you. Also need to put your name, email, and your question. Just put your name, your email, and then your question. So in this case, I need to refresh my Game Pass because I'm getting error 2032 in Black Ops 7. And after they refresh your Game Pass, you just need to sign out and sign in from your Game Pass on your PC or your Xbox or whatever you play. And everything should be working. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.